Hello, this video will show you how to run ANOVA block design using Excel. I'm using the file ANOVA block design posted on your course website. This is the example that is also illustrated in your slides. So looking at the Excel file, I will click on the Data tab. Then I'll click on Data Analysis. I'll scroll up and I'll choose ANOVA 2 factors without replication. This is ANOVA block design terminology in Excel. Click OK. In the input range, highlight the whole table, including all columns. Click Labels because we have labels on the first row. And again, if alpha is given 5%, keep it as is. If not, change it to the required alpha. Keep the default output and click OK. As a result, on the top part of the screen, you will get statistic. So first of all, you'll get this area of statistic for all of your rows. And this area of statistics will be given to your columns. On the bottom part, you'll have your ANOVA table created for you. So this actually summarized the video to show you how to run block design ANOVA using Excel.